Tutorial on how to service the first generation ChargeTech CS10 charging station. Your station may either have 4 knobs or 4 Phillips screws, which you'll have to undo. Once you've undone the 4 screws or knobs, take this plate off, and then with one finger pull the bracket on the right all the way to the right, and then with the other finger undo the fastening bracket to release the cable. The next step is to, either with an X-Acto knife or with a flathead screwdriver or your fingernail, remove the plastic cover on the front. There would be 2 of them on each side to expose 2 more Phillips screws. Undo those. You'll notice that even after undoing the 2 Phillips screws, the faceplate that says ChargeTech or Charge All will not come off, in which case you'll have to turn the station to the back, and using your screwdriver or a butter knife or something similar, push the faceplate out from the other side. Once you do so, you can completely remove the cables from the station. And replace using the V10 cable product found on our website. When assembling the product back together, make sure that the individual cable tips run properly through these grommets to ensure a flush and secure fit when reassembling. I have here a new V10 replacement cable, which I'll put the link to in the description. Run each cable tip through the space here. Once you've done so, you can route each cable individually through each of the grommets. Once all the cables have been routed through the grommets, just pull on them to make sure that they're not getting in the way of the faceplate sitting flush. And the next step is to replace each of the 2 Phillips screws of the faceplate. While maintaining pressure on the faceplate to make sure that it does not pop off. Go ahead and replace the plastic covers and replace the back cover and redo the 4 knobs or the 4 Phillips screws. And that's it.